Okay, try and do this one here. I've got a metal pole here. Okay, and the metal pole is supported by this metal cable here, and also by this second metal cable here. Okay, um, the length of the top cable here is 30 meters, and from here to here is 20 meters, and here to here is 8 meters. I want to know the height of the height of the metal pole here, and also the length of the second cable here. So hang on. So let's call this x, the height of the metal pole. So you've got to work out the height of the metal pole here. Let's call it x, and also you've got to work out the length of the second cable. Let's call it y. Okay, so work out x and y. So you sometimes have to stare at this picture here to try and form triangles and things like that to work out what you want to know. So anyway, press pause and think about it. Try and you might have to stare at it for a while to actually see the solution. So press pause and have a go. Okay, here let's we're going to call this this bit here x. Okay, remember x is the total height of the pole. Okay, and we're going to call this y. This the length of the second cable here. Okay, so visualize. Here you've got yourself a triangle within a triangle. Hang on, let's clear this. So here you've got yourself a triangle here. Can you see that? A right angle triangle. And then later on you've got a smaller triangle. So for the time being, let's just look at the big triangle here. Okay, this is your right angle here. So looking at the big triangle only. Now remember, x is the total height of the pole. So let's use Pythagoras here. This would be the longest side here, 30. So 30 squared equals x squared plus 20 squared. So this would be 900. This would be x squared, and then 2 times 2 is 4 with 2 zeros. Okay, and now take away 400 from both sides. So it would be this equals x squared. So x represents, well, x is root 500. So hang on, let me get the calculator. So root 500, which is 22.36. So 22.36. Okay, so the height of the pole is 22.36 meters. Okay, now you've got to look at the small. In order to find out the length of the second cable, which we will call y, you've got to look at the smaller triangle here. So earlier we've got a triangle within a triangle basically. So looking at this small triangle here only, we need to know we want to know y, but we need to know this height here. Well, we know the total height is the total height of the pole is 22.36. But this from here to here is 8 meters. Can you see that? So we have to get the total height of the pole, take away the 8 meters here. That will give us this height here. Okay? So hang on. So 22 take away 8 meters up here. Take away 8. So 20 whatever that is. Take away 22. Take away 8. Take away 8 equals 14.36. So this distance here is 14.36. Okay, so now we can just use a smaller triangle here. So it would be y squared, because this will be the longer side. Y squared equals this here 20 squared plus this here. Remember, this here is actually this length here. Okay, 14.36 squared. Now, so y squared, hang on, y squared equals 400 plus, now this number squared will be, hang on, will be square this, will be 206.23, 206.23, 206.23. Let me double check. 203. Yeah. Okay. And now add the two together. So it will be 606.23. Now square root both sides. So hang on. So I've got to add 400 to this. Add 400. Okay. So we are here at the moment. Okay. We are here at the moment. We're going to square root 606.23 to both sides. So square root. So y equals 24.62. 24.62. So y equals this. So going back to our original diagram, the length of the cable is this here. Okay. The height of the pole is this here. Okay. All right.